Hey there, wanderers! Welcome to Ravel TV, where we're taking virtual strolls through the coolest spots without breaking a sweat. I'm your guide, Ravel, and trust me, I've walked so much virtually, I've practically got a PhD in walkology. Now, I know what y'all thinking. Is this dude secretly a marathon runner in disguise? Well, chill! This teaser got the exclusive voiceover treatment. But hey, don't spill the beans to the other videos. For my Cababayans scattered worldwide and those who've become one with their couches, Ravel TV is your ticket back home. Miss your favorite mall? Yearning for that park bench nostalgia? I got you. We've strolled through malls so big, they got their own gravitational pull. We've kicked it in parks where even the trees got stories to tell. And oh, the museums, where history meets Wi-Fi. Cause, you know, priorities. Sometimes, I get so caught up in the virtual magic, I forget doors exist. But hey, no real doors were harmed in the making of these tours. So, buckle up, or rather, unbuckle, since we're just virtually strolling. Hit that subscribe button on Ravel TV, because the only thing we're breaking here is monotony. Stay tuned for some quirky facts and trivia, because I'm not just a virtual walker, I'm your trivia ninja. So guys, see you on the virtual flip side. Keep on strolling.